Hey, you may or may not know this, but we've got a very exciting new upgrade for our Voyager Pro. What are we talking about? We're talking about offline points of interest, POIs, and some serious map upgrades. Here's how to install it. The first step is to go to trailtech.net and download the firmware on your micro SD card. Then you're going to take said micro SD card and insert it in your Voyager Pro. First thing we're going to do is go to the settings menu by hitting the upper left button, going down to utilities, going to software update, update firmware, find our SD card, a file named firmware, and here's the new firmware. We're gonna watch it go through. It's a pretty quick process. Insert elevator music here. And then our device is going to restart within 10 seconds. There we go. Our device is rebooting with the new firmware now installed. Software update successful. Boop. Now, once we've updated the firmware, to add points of interest, go to the settings menu once again. Go to utilities, software update once again, but instead of updating firmware, we're going to update map data. Find our SD card, find our maps that we also downloaded at trailtech.net, and choose one of the files for our region. Since we're in Oregon and/or Washington, we're going to click that. And this is going to upload all of the offline POIs for Oregon and Washington. Insert elevator music here. Complete. All right, now we have all of the offline POIs for Oregon and Washington. You can see on our new map, we have a bunch of added data, like the restrooms at this campground, the name of this campground. Then if we go to a nearby city, if I can find it, Winthrop, we're going to zoom in, and you're going to be able to see all the restaurants, public restrooms, lodging, fuel. They're all there, and they're all offline. So you can be in the middle of the backcountry and be searching for gas or lodging or food in the next town. It's a very exciting new update.